In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade an email plan on Hostinger. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So whether you're looking to expand your email capacity or unlock some advanced features, I'll show you exactly what to do. First things first, let's navigate our way to Hostinger's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Hostinger. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Look for the Login button, which is usually situated in the top right corner of the web page, and enter your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the hPanel dashboard. Here, you'll spot a variety of options, but for today's task, we need to focus on the Emails section. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Emails section, you'll find various options related to managing your email accounts. What we want to do here is click on Get New Email Plan. This option is usually prominently displayed and is your gateway to selecting a different plan that suits your needs better. As you click on Get New Email Plan, you'll be presented with an array of plans to choose from. It's essential to select the plan that aligns with your specific requirements, whether that's additional storage, enhanced security features, or perhaps more email accounts. Take a moment to compare the plans if needed and click on the one that best fits your needs. With your plan selected, the next step is to choose your billing period. Typically, you'll find options for monthly, yearly, or multi-year plans. Take into account your budget and the duration you plan to commit, then make your selection accordingly. After picking your billing period, it's time to move on by clicking on the Get Started button. This will essentially finalize your choice and take you to the next step where you can confirm more specifics of your plan. At this point, you'll be prompted to confirm the number of months you'd like for your plan. Again, this ties back to the billing period you previously selected. This is a good moment to double check everything and make sure it's financially practical for you. Finally, you'll need to choose a payment method. You'll see a range of options, which might include credit cards, PayPal, or other online payment methods. Click on your preferred payment option, fill in the necessary details, and finalize your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your email plan on Hostinger. Now you can enjoy all the benefits that come with your new plan, tailoring it to exactly what you need for better performance and flexibility. Thanks for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay connected for more tutorials.